GIGABYTE AI Top features optimized power efficiency by 6.7 times compared to a regular PC build. I'm Alex. This is GIGABYTE AI Tech Support. Large language model fine-tuning requires intense computing power of GPUs and massive capacity of VRAM. As the models get larger, meaning more parameters are included, higher the cost will spike accordingly. Also, the duration of training time increases as more datasets are put in. And, of course, it takes electricity to power the machine, meaning extra expense on the total cost. In summary, the efficiency of fine-tuning is determined by the cost of hardware, the duration of training time, and the expense of electricity. GIGABYTE AI Top Hardware is a series of PC products that are optimized in power efficiency with specially engineered BIOS. In general, the AI Top hardware outperforms a regular PC build in power efficiency by 6.7 times. The AI Top hardware is also built by GIGABYTE's iconic ultra-durable technology and tested under strict simulation of AI model training to ensure top-tier reliability. You can also improve training efficiency with the AI Top Utility. With the training schedule, you can arrange training experiments to run during off-peak hours, where the electricity may be much cheaper. Moreover, the visualized dashboard helps you keep track of hardware status and find out where bottlenecks your training efficiencies are. Since GIGABYTE AI Top is your own training machine, you can always adjust the configuration based on your actual needs. More flexibility means more optimized you can make your machine. To sum up, you can optimize the cost of hardware with the high flexibility and power efficiency provided by the AI Top hardware, and reduce training time and expense of electricity with the AI Top utility. Altogether, GIGABYTE AI Top improves efficiency for local fine-tuning. I'm Alex, the AI Tech Support from GIGABYTE. See you next time.